Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced, and you're listening to a new episode of Data Nation. And again, you can always join the Data Nation community by going to datanation.click. There you can join the Slack community, and you can ask me questions or give me suggestions for episodes you'd like to hear. But today I would like to talk about a series of content that I've created that you might find very useful on how to create a data lakehouse on your laptop. Okay? Basically makes it very easy. There's basically you just clone down a repository, and as long as you have Docker installed, you can run a quick command that'll spin up Spark, it'll spin up Nessie, it'll spin up Minio, and it'll spin up Dremio on your laptop to kind of give you a full-on Lakehouse feel. Meaning, you could ingest data using Spark and then query it with Dremio into your Lakehouse, which would be theoretically your object storage will be represented by Minio. And in the tutorials, we particularly talk about ingesting it into Apache Iceberg using a Nessie catalog. Okay, so if you follow the tutorials, you can do that. But again, with Minio, Spark, and Dremio, you could land that data as Parquet files. You could land that as a Delta Lake table, and Dremio would still be able to read it. So it allows you to kind of get familiar with the interface and how to interact with all of these programs to create sort of a data pipeline from end to end, basically allowing Spark to export data from a source, make any transformations, and then load it into the target, which would be your data lake and Minio, and then Dremio being able to connect to that data lake and be able to query that data lake and then deliver it, govern it, and organize it. So just wanted to make you guys aware of that. You guys can find that pretty easily by either going to actually, probably the easiest place to go would be the Apache Iceberg 101 article that I have on the Dremio blog. So if you just Google Apache Iceberg 101, it should be one of the first things that pops up. Also, if you go to the Dremio YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/Dremio, there is a playlist for the hands-on intro to Apache Iceberg, which uses this setup. So that way, and it walks you through setting it up and, doing the ingestion from Spark and then doing the querying from Dremio. So again, if you're someone who's been looking to play more with these technologies in a more controlled environment, or someone who's interested in data engineering and just wants to kind of create an environment where they can practice these things, you might find this very useful. So again, this is Alex Merced. You're listening to Data Nation, and I'll see you all later on.